Uh, Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Smita Manna. I am from Nondigrama, Purbo Medinipur district. Today, I am sharing about my topic is visited Digha and Mandarmoni. At in the last week, me and my husband's friend decided to go anywhere. He is somewhere. He in the previous 10 years he never go in na Digha যায়নি go Digha 10 years he did not visit Digha, and he also not visited, that's why he also not visited to Digha Jagannath Mandir temple. And and he is a band owner of a band. So he will be busy from August, 1st August, from the 1st August. So he told me that before 1st August we went to anywhere. So uh, besides of মানে কাছাকাছি বলতে দীঘা near nearest place is Digha. So we decided to go Digha, and then Thursday, me and me get into the train at Desopran station, and at 10 a.m. and he got into the train from Heria station, and we reached at about 11:30 a.m. and it was when I was staying Bachkul, then it's a rainy day, so I was very sad that rain. In my heart, there are conflict between that I should go or not. So lastly, as finally as I previously decided to go here, and suddenly I cannot say that no, I did not go. So বাধ্য হয়ে I was bound. I was bound to go there. So finally, we went at 10:30 a.m. Reached Digha station, and then we go first. Went first Digha temple, Digha Jagannath temple, and we walk for some times and reached Digha uh, front মানে দীঘা গেট একদম টেম্পলের গেট মেন ফ্রন্ট অফ টেম্পল, and we realized that shoe our shoe should be keep in kept certain place. So we back to this place where the shoe is kept. So there we kept our shoe, and then we back our destination, and then and we got into temple, and there in the front of temple there we kept our bags, and then it's at the first time, uh, not first time, it is my second time to visit any temple. In the first time I see Mayapur temple, and then second time I see Jagannath temple. So it was very dear Jagannath temple. It was so big, and many. It was rainy, but sometimes it's rainy and then stop for sometimes it's happening in that time, in that day. And me and he click many photos, and we saw that many people uh, creating reels in the temple, uh, মানে ওই গ্রাম মানে এরিয়ার মধ্যে that campus. And I thought that I mean মানে ঠাকুরের গানগুলো ঠিক আছে, মানে আদার্স মানে অন্যরকম গানগুলো, ডিফারেন্ট ডিফারেন্ট রিলস was, so I was very offended. However, it's their choice. And then when I visited main the temple of Jagannath, uh, Digha Jagannath temple, I feel that মানে আমার খুব কান্না পাচ্ছিল। I feel cry, and I don't know why, but I feel very sad, and মানে আমি মানে চোখে জল ধরে রাখতে পারছিলাম না। I cannot control my emotion, so I could not suppress myself, and I brushed তারপরে into cry. So however, after then there is not phone allow for photo, and but outside of temple you can take photo, and we take some photo, and some expression of work, and then get out from temple at about 1 p.m. And then there one মানে স্যার ওটা মানে একজন লোক, মানে যারা ইংলিশেও দেখি না যখন তখন লেকচার দিচ্ছে, আবার হিন্দিতেও বলছে, মানে ওরা কি বলবো, মানে মানে ওই গেরুয়া মানে ড্রেস পরে, কি বলবো ওদেরকে, প্রিস্ট priest priest there one priest convince our for buying a book, but we buying Gita, Bhagavad Gita, but already, sir, there one priest convince for buying Bhagavad Gita, as I have already three books for three Bhagavad Gita in my home, so I could not take that. So, but he still convinced me, and trying to convince me and my friend, and tell about Krishna, মানে তার কাহিনী, কৃষ্ণের লর্ড, tell about his story, grace, and his grace, and but finally we don't buy Bhagavad Gita, and and come back from temple, and went to sea beach, Digha sea beach, and we eat some bread and egg and bread, and then bread toast, and tea, and after then after then and there sea beach, মানে sea beach এ নামলাম, we got into the sea beach, and at that time there মানে ভাটা চলছিল, cape Eve, Eve was going on, and so we got down the series, and then there also I I create some reels and videos and photos, and then সেটা ওটা তো থাকবেই, মেয়ে মানে ওটা থাকবে, কিছু করার নেই। ছেলেরা সেটা খুব কমই হয়, মানে ছেলেদের এত শখ থাকে না। And then we came back at home by bus at about 5 p.m. We got into bus, and then there I eat some masla muri, and tea again, and then we come back home at about 7 p.m. That's all about my topic, how I visited Digha. মন্দারমণি বললে আর হবেই